Namaskaram everyone, myself Pranal Dev Singh Parmar from class 9 at Duke Public School. Today my topic is Aircraft and Carriers of Indian Air Force, the HAL Tejas, Indian multi-role light fighter designed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for Indian Army and Indian Navy. It came with light aircraft program, the HAL Light Combat Helicopter. It is an Indian multi-role attack helicopter designed and manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and it was ordered by Indian Air Force and Indian Army because of its flight ceiling is highest among all helicopters. Mirage 2000 is a French multi-role single-engine, fourth-generation attack helicopter manufactured by Dassault Aviation. It was designed in 1970s to replace Mirage 3. Boeing AS-64 Apache is an attack helicopter with twin turboshaft attack tailwheel type landing gear. It features a nose-mounted sensor suite, target execution and night vision system armed with 30 mm M230 chain gun. Sukhoi Su-30 is a twin-engine, two-seater maneuverable aircraft developed by Soviet Union by Russia's Sukhoi Corporation. MiG-29 is a twin-engine jet fighter aircraft designed in the Soviet Union by Piquet Jaguar is an Anglo-French jet attack aircraft originally used by British and French Air Force and in close air support and nuclear strike, and it is still servicing Indian Air Force. British Aerospace Hawk 200 is a single-seat, single-engine light multi-role fighter designed for air defense and shipping ground-to-ground air support. The HAL-16 Kiran. The HAL-16 Kiran is an Indian two-seater intermediate jet power trainer aircraft designed and manufactured by aircraft company Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and it was designed for the East of Indian Air Force for trainer aircraft pilots. Antonov AN-32 is a prop twin-engine military transport aircraft and re-engine of AN-26 designed to stand adverse weather conditions, and it can be also used as mid-air refueler and moving radar. So this was all about Indian aircraft and carriers of Indian Air Force. Thank you and have a nice day.